Nining Jo Acholi, welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi. One segment, Kwan Leb Acholi. I'm your host, Jackline Ikang of Kwan. Please like, comment, share. Follow us on Facebook. We are on Facebook as Chaka Leb Acholi. We are also on we are on Facebook as Chaka Leb Acholi. We are on YouTube as Chaka Leb Acholi. Okay, I also post videos on my personal Facebook, which is Jackline Ikang, South Sudan. Today we will be reading on Bobi. This is section 49, reading on Pajok Lacuc, and today we're covering Bobi. If you're from Bobi, please watch the show, share with your friends, your family, your community. Also leave your comment under this video if you would like to clarify anything that I'm reading, or if even just to confirm if what I'm reading is correct. Please also engage with the platform, engage with this video, and let us learn together. Okay, that's all I'm not doing. If you'd like to be a guest, please also send me a private message or a DM. You can also leave a comment on any video. If you would like to be a guest, let me know, and we can arrange for you to join us to discuss any topic relating to subclans, clans, tribe, culture, migration, chiefs, the Acholi language, anything relating to the Acholi people in the Acholi community. Okay? Hold on one time. Yesterday I read about Pakeny. Today I'm reading about Bobi. These are still groups from the Pajok Lacuc territories, the territories to the right. Okay? And happy Valentine's Day to everybody who's celebrating. Okay, let's get right into it. Now, reading on Bobi. Okay. Bobi, kinmala chojo chokere, ningo. Bobi tiege dok ot matino. Angwen magina ye. Kiyanga, Kiyanga. Now, if I'm pronouncing anything incorrectly, please also help me and drop a comment under this video and let me know if it's correct or incorrect, okay? This is the first time I'm hearing about these communities in Bobi, so please drop your comments under the video. Okay, Bobi tigi dog on Martino angwen magina ye Kiyanga Pakeny Paikweya ge Paliri-ngwen. Okay, drop your comments and let me know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. If I'm not, please also leave your comments so I can try to find someone that can help me learn how to pronounce the name of these subgroups. Me Bobi Apuamate. So, Ochaninga, regarding Kiyanga, Pakeny, ge Paikweya, Ochaninga, Tekwara Pacholi Wajane, dog ot a dick man, Obino ge Shilluk. Interesting. Enter Gin Obino ge Nyinga Chiel ne Bobi Kidma Wabinano Pinkany. Dwan bene Wajane, Ikarma Jo Bobi Opei Pajok. Gin onongo tie gi dog ot a dick magi lungo ne Pabwoc, Padera, ge Paoyo. Okay. La dit Bobia ye okelo luak man ge lobo mi Shilluk. E karma Jo Bobi Opei Pajok gino poke waha idul ariel. Okay. Dana mukene odong e Pajok ite lodge pa la dit aruk. Dana ma odong i Pajok Lacuc opore i dog ot a dig. Okay, Kidman. Kiyanga, Pakeny, gi Paikweya, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, please let me know. Kadana mokene bene, gino mere, gi wood, ite lodge, pa Bobi. Gino chiro kwere I Bira. Okay? Lango mi Sudan, lo lungo gini Bira, nyo kama gi biro ye, kama lango mi Sudan ben Bira, gi chere Bira. Okay? Gi kenyu, gino mere, gi donyo I Padibe, kagin ogero ikom dok ot mi pamot. I Muhammad ruot Padibe, magi lungo ni ruot Dera, onongo gintie I kabero, magi lungo Atango. Duan wajini ruot Dera, omahoke pawone ruot Otwal. Are you guys familiar with ruot Otwal? Munu wonga ruot Dera. Okay. Muni Padibe kuya. Okay. Padibe dok ot mi pamot. Okay. Munu kamagi chiro ya Jo Bobi. Bobi morning magi chiro malo. Chiro yopin. Ite lodge pa Bobi. Gichiri Bira nanga mi Sudan. Gi Kenya dogi mere kere gichiri wi Padibe. Dok ot mi pamot. Na onongo ruot mi Padibe. En ruot Padibe. Ma lolung eningo ruot Dera. Onongo gintie kabero. Ma gilungo Atango. Are you familiar with Nyingam? Atango. Okay. Duan wajini ruot Dera. O mahoke pawone ruot Otwal. Okay. Bobi mi Uganda. Obero I Atango pimwaha manok. Kala chen gino dak I got Bobi. Matie ikin. Madi Opei. Wala Madi Opei. Gi Okol. Okay. Duan wajini gikany bero pa Jo Bobi pe no onongo tie mabe pien chitano donyo itwingi mo weho mon gi cho buru ata mawanongo bene o ore buru gi mare yuero la bong lobo chek kwaro paluo. Drop your comments. What time are ni anong ibir ka burata ni jaga danya wala sitana danya kam gi buru gidana ta wala family wala what gi burata gi lubu chika chole ko wala cheka duoko uno yang wati kere no yala ningo makun chek kwaro paluo okwer ni or miero peo but ki maro wa yuero malacho mier pe burigi yuer madao. Ento Jo Bobi pe ogworo chikman. Mod lokman okelo dama diri kindano ma weho luak mi ruot Dera o dok chien I pamot I Atango. Okay. Ka luak pa ruot Bobi kono o mere gi wood makun gino woro dok kwere yo tung ping southwards. Duan wajo ni Bobi ma nongo tie ka dok tung ping la chien gino poke waka idula dig. Dano mokene o chiro ger I la bongo. Okay. Dano mokene o chiro I pajul wala pajule. Ka dano mokene kono o chiro I puranga. Wan dong pe wangeo kala did Bobi o gerikin luak ma chiro I la bongo Pajule myo eno chiro ogere kin luak mao chiro puranga. Okay? If you know this information, please share with us what you are born. We are learning about Bobi. Kin magi poke kere. Okay? Gigero kan gichiro la bong gichiro pajule wala gichiro puranga. Please drop your comments. Apo amate. Mana yegin ma o wero tin Bobi tie I pajul wala pajule la bongo gi puranga in Uganda or present day Uganda. Okay? Dana mokene tamo ni Teng Bobi mi Pajok mokene la chien o dak agoro. Okay? Gikenyu dana mokene o dong agoro ka dana mokene kono o chiro got amiel. Utamo ni ngano. Matie choki lira lapono agago. Duan wajuni inge bedo agago pi Muhammad Jo Bobi mokene o dok chien pamot Atango Padibe. Source any Onyango 1976. Okay. Utamo ni Bobi mi Pajok onongogin bedo kachiel gijo payune wala payune. Magina ye wiringom mi Pajok gi kome. Ngagi jo payune ne ngawala jo payun. Y-O-N-E. Jopa yune ni munu wiringom adil mi Pajok. Munu ngagi ne. Ko chone ngo gibot Crasolera munu source bere JP Crasolera mu cholok mi luo. Okay? Nigi bot Crasolera dano mi Bobi kari bet onyango. Gibot Crasolera dano mi Bobi kari bet onyango olungo gini luo ento en ngeo ni Bobi gin dano mi Madi. Madi do. What do you think? So Crasolera ni Johnny Madi. Onyango source money wajani Johnny Shilluk. Magi bi migrate donya mo dongi Sudan mo chere Uganda. Kagi worgi pore Guinea matino. Lakin Crasolera JP Crasolera ni Johnny ay Adele Madi. What do you think? Drop your comments. Do kidma wabero kaneno kan Jo Bobi tie kabero mapara Leb Acholi mi Sudan gi Uganda wen. Ento gin ma amiro dano ma Kwan bookman miro onge ni kari bet Bobi tie kabero mapara Sudan gi Uganda. Gin duchu podio gi kom Bobi mi Pajok. So if some of them get Pajok before get done the Uganda. Okay, again put it Jo Acholi magi pogo. Okay, what do you think? Drop your comments. Yala, piman ka ipenyo Latin Bobi moke ken en gamo gitwin mi ware ne wan wabino gi Bobi mi Pajok. Mun sospa no information gi pot Crasolera ne ki penyo Latin Bobi moke ken kono mi Uganda wala mi Sudan ki wana gendi agi Pajok. Proudly, you want to give me Pajok. Okay? What do you think? Wunmi Bobi? Wunmi kan? Drop your comments. Apo amatek. Okay? Yala, take war mi Pajok wachuni. Tie nena chiel dano mi palwao bino. Pajok gi tung nyango. Gino nongo Bobi gi payune. Dong tie ikom God ago. Okay? So, gigum maraj, jo palwa, o bero dano ma o maro luen total, mano kan, gin o reo mun ikom Bobi. Palwa o luenyo ikom Bobi o mere o nyomero gi nego ke megi waha. Kala chin jo Bobi dong o chaha woro ke gi abila mi palwa. La dit paterno abak o wajo kwere bora ni Chaka imwaga menu jo Bobi o Chaka woro abila pa jo palwa. So paluado gibi bino ge lonye kom Bobi gi pa yune no gi donya kadong di Pajok. Waje ne gen wi ngom ya chiel. Okay? Palwabi bino la chindo ko lonye kom jone ho mi kwanyo ke tu ga bene. What do you think? Drop your comments. Paliri-ngwen kono Jo Bobi mo kene Paliri-ngwen. La chindo chone nga kom jone ni dwan waje ni Jo Paliri-ngwen obino gi Obbo. Gino bino I Pajok I karma dano mi Obbo poritie I wi got loti. Ento pe wangyo lok ma weho Jo Paliri-ngwen o a kwere wako ki Obbo ka bino E Pajok. Mi ario wan pe wangyo nying la did mao kelo dano mi Paliri-ngwen I Pajok. If you know this information, please drop your comments up on my text. Okay? Te kwaro mi Pajok wajene I karma Jo Paliri-ngwen obino I Pajok gino nungo luak mi Pajok poritie I kom God ago. Jo Paliri-ngwen o lobo nge Jo Kiyanga Pakeny gi Paikweya kagin ogero I komgi do bong. Okay, they came as a foreign and get come Jo magi bina before again Jo molo lo getting off Kiyanga Pakeny gi Paikweya gi gero don kachel. Okay, do bong I come Johnny. Mana ye gin ma weho Jo Paliri-ngwen tin o doho wi ngom. So gid no Jo adil mi molo lo ni wi ngom. Gi gero come gidong they consider wi ngom. So they're all one gin weng no mi Bobi. Akin Jo Paliri-ngwen gi bino gi Obbo. Kadong discrepancy ti kom Jo mo ma gi bino la chien Bobi mo ma gi bino Jo Kiyanga gi Pakeny gi Paikweya ni John Shilluk ma gi bino gi donye Pajok ka gi wor gi po mo chere Uganda. Okay. So Jo mo kono chal source mi krasaler gi woni Johnny Madi itamoningo drop your comments upon. Okay. Team gi got me Bobi. What do you think? Get team. Kagin wuringam of course team tigiti ko. God kono. God be wangi mabe. Yala. La chojo choni ngori kom look me God gi team. Pa Bobi ne Bobi tigi team ario mana ye team bore ma Jo Pajok tin ogero ye idok kulu atebi. Is it bore or bore? Team bore ma Jo Pajok tin ogero ye idok kulu atebi gi team la nyoro. Okay? Ento te kwar pa Obbo wajene team bore aye team koyo mi Obbo. Is that true? Okay. Kadong ningo kidma team man ochiro kwere bot Bobi dano pe nyang. So Bobi no team ni team magilungo ni bore ni no yang tiro team pa Jo koyo mi Obbo. Gino ni ning lunge ko ku nge would drop comments to the Bobi gino team mo lungo ni bore ni ning gi bot Jo Obbo. Pingo no yang lungo team koyo pa Jo Obbo manong Jo Bobi gino lungo ni team bore. Drop your comments, okay? Aqua. Okay. Kadong ningo. Jo Bobi bene. Tie gi got a real. Got tool. Gi got Obbo. Ento. Gin tie gi jok a chiel magi lungo jok oyara. No sorry, jok oyaro. Wandong pe wangyo nying dano ma yubo timan gi dano ma yubo wang jok oyaro. Ki ungeo Jo mi Bobi magi yubo look mi jok tugi jok oyaro. Drop your comments. Mio Jo magi yubo look mi team tugi. We'll drop comments too. Okay. So that's all what the writer has regarding Bobi. If you have more information about Bobi, this is a learning platform. We'll board a message can you send it a private message DM and maybe you can even join us as a guest, and we can discuss Gamo about Bobi Mawangiyoko. Uh, okay, so that's it for today. Tomorrow, I will read about Paleo. Okay, Paleo is very short, and then I will also cover Kapa. Kapa is also very short. Okay, so tomorrow, which is Sunday, I will cover Paleo, Gi Kapa, and then I'm off again on Monday because it's a holiday. I will cover Clan Tua, Subclan Tua, Moloni Patanga. Patanga. I want to keep that for the last reading on Pajok on Monday so I can spend enough time discussing Patanga. Okay? All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, share. Follow us on Facebook. We are on Facebook as Chaka, Leb Acholi. Also on Facebook as Chaka Ikang, South Sudan. Please follow, like, comment, engage with the platform, please. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Chaka Leb Acholi, so you can stay up to date with all of the content. And now we can also subscribe to a private Chaka Leb Acholi group where you can engage, ask questions in the group amongst yourselves, including with me, about Acholi, the clans, the chiefs, subgroups, Leb Acholi, anything like that. Okay, so stay tuned, and I will be reading again tomorrow. And tomorrow I will be covering Money, Kapa, and Paleo. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good night. Take care, guys. Bye bye.